sighting in the old crossbow. So there's lots of videos on it. I'm not going to get into how to do it or anything like that. So, just shoot. Bullseye! Right in that bean's heart.
There's not much I can say about the Barnett Ghost 410. At just over 7 pounds, the weight is ideal, and it's designed with most of the weight at your shoulder, so the balance is great. It's also an amazingly accurate bow. I sight in the top reticle for 20 yards, and it was consistently deadly accurate to 50 yards and beyond. It's one of the fastest bows on the market with enough kinetic energy to wallop anything you hunt. Once cocked, the safety is automatically engaged, and I found that the trigger pull is about as perfect as one could get. The illuminated scope is probably better than most crossbows I've looked at. All in all, this is a great bow. You won't be disappointed with it.
Deadly.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.